Hey, what is up guys? It is BrenSki and I'm here today with another video. So today I'm going to bring you another segment of our Georgia spring break vacation that we went on. So we went to the Dawsonville Moonshine Distillery and the Amicalola Falls State Park. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's check it out.
Are you actually videoing?
I am.
We're in Georgia, peeps. We got our camo gear. We got some Bon Jovi tunes on. We're headed to Amicalola. I'm not sure if I said it right. Falls. Right now, we're gonna check out the distillery.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the Moonshine Distillery. We're gonna get drunk. This is like a concept version. I didn't read them. I thought it was just like this. Shit. Mom,
You're driving the vehicle.
you don't need to take pictures on your phone.
This is how we die, looking at the mountains.
Mom, please get off your phone. Someone else will take pictures and give it to you. Thank you. Give me your phone and I will take the pictures.
We're gonna see how some moonshine's made.
I'm gonna get drunk.
No, so we're here at the Moonshine Distillery.
Oh, all right.
It's as far as he can make it.
Well, you were slipping.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, how are y'all?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good, good.
I bought this. So we have this.
Okay.
That's cute.
What's your first name?
Kim.
Kim. Okay. All right. Looks like you get a couple of tours and two kundig.
Well, once again, welcome to Dawsonville Moonshine Distillery. I'm Bullet Bob. I'm one of the distillers that works here. This is our production room, and we start all our mashes here at the cooker. The cooker's like a giant mixing bowl with a heater, and we'll add about 300 gallons of water, cornmeal, and corn malt. This is the mash we cooked on Thursday, and you can see it's still actively working.
Wow.
This is a 300-gallon copper pot still. This still was custom made for us up in Louisville, Kentucky, and it weighs about 1,500 pounds.
Is the mash like oatmeal almost?
It's like what?
Is it like oatmeal? Like what's the consistency
No,
of
it's
it?
more of a liquid. It's
But with the pieces of the stuff.
oh, it's got the grain in it.
Yeah.
Now, back here we store alcohol in both barrels and these big square stainless steel tanks. The stainless steel tanks have a capacity of about 500 gallons. This is our bottling machine, and we're not quite as high speed as Anheuser-Busch or Jack Daniels, but we're real proud of our little bottling machine.
This is a Chuki production.
The old dog is supposed to be on watch for, revenue agents, but animals were very much attracted to the mash. And sometimes
sure.
a possum would crawl in there and drink itself to death or drown.
Oh my.
And then somebody got the idea in order to have a good mash, they'd have to put a dead possum in it.
Oh, yuck.
I just thought I'd let you know we don't do that.
Thank you. Because I don't want any of their ones.
It's too late, already drank it.
Hi. My dad's such a pain. He goes, I'm not going to be your guinea pig.
Thank you.
If you guys are upstanding after you come back after a week, let me know. Like, it's like, what is he thinking, the moonshine? He's picturing it like out in the fucking woods. Is it blah, 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 blah? I'm like, Dad, you're...
Coon dicks. Or coon dicks or raccoon dicks.
Those are awesome that you guys got a souvenir too.
Alright guys, so that was the Dawsonville Moonshine Distillery. Now we're gonna go out to get some lunch because we were freaking hungry. So I'll catch you guys then.
Listen to Luke Bryan. Got our country on. Yo,
I'm still recording you.
whatever. I know you're not going to put it in the vlog anyways.
Oh, or am I?
Ha! Okay, zoom in. That's a little close.
Oh, really close now.
Try like on my nose or something.
Howdy.
Do you have a map? Thank you.
Thank you.
Como te amas for you is the water for you.
All right.
And I got game. Everyday grind.
Honey.
Yep.
Go a little harder, work a little harder.
You all done?
Work a little harder, go a little harder. Go a little harder, work a little
Bye.
harder.
Fork in the road.
You tried to leave your hat on.
It's like a baby being born.
Dummy alert. There's the baby's head. We see hair. Full head of hair.
Congratulations, it's Kimberly.
The big fat baby.
We tired already.
Tired. We're just starting, suckers. I'm gonna take this off. It's just getting.
Just fold it up in your hood. No one else is gonna carry it.
No. Put it right here where I have mine.
In your own.
Not hand me anything.
Mom can't have any extra weight added to her on the cart.
Well, that was a fat joke if I say so.
Did you? I said Mom
That's not
can't have
recording,
any,
right?
It is. That Mom can't have any more weight attached to her on this
She's
hike.
so nice. Do not video record me. Face it.
Got to the top of the mountain, top of the waterfall. Would say it is quite the walk up here. So now we're gonna have to walk back down, which is gonna be a ton of fun. Yeah, now we have to go down to our little itty bitty cars down there. Somewhere in there is where our car is parked. We're gonna have to make it all the way back down there. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. So I will see you guys down at El Bottom. Where did we make it? The car.
Woo! Yay! I thought I was gonna die.
We get to eat some food.
Food.
I just want water.
This is my reward, bitches.
Made it back to El Caro. Time to make a peanut butter and banana sandwich. Gonna try that for the first time today. Ah!
Garden is right near here.